This is another very important song. When I started learning jazz, this was the first jazz song which was given by my sir. He was Carlton Kitto. He's known as one of the jazz king in India. So he gave me this song, and it took me around 2.5 months to pick up this song. But then after 2.5 months, probably I did some justice to the song. So I'll sing that song. If you ever blind motor west, drive my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. It winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now you go to St. Louis and Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City looks mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup to Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Gibson, Barstow, Santa Bernardino. Want to get tipped to the Tommy Tip when you make that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Okay, another small one for the students. I think they know this song.